I love burritos. I think every food should be made in burrito form. My name's Captain Jewel Ori, and this is all you. So if you are wondering where you should start with your nutrition goals, think about what is most important to you and think about small, simple changes you can make. Everyone knows, eat more fruits and vegetables, eat fast food less. But how do we do that? One way we do this is right behind me. We are taking a time barrier out of nutrition for drill sergeants. So what are you up to today?
I am making a chicken fajita burrito.
Once again, I love burritos because you can put whatever you want in them. Really portable foods, trying to hit on three main aspects. Having a grain, carbohydrates are your fuel source, having a lean source of protein, and having some plants. If you can hit those three items in your meal, you're doing pretty good. All right, do you meal prep ever?
I do not.
How easy was this?
This was very easy. This is something that I could definitely do every day.
Costs $30 or less, and you're getting 8+ meals out of all of this. One really easy thing to do is grab a rotisserie chicken, grab a bag salad mix, throw the chicken in the salad mix, throw it in a tortilla, and now you got your quick, easy wrap. Another easy trick, making the healthier foods more accessible and making the unhealthier foods a little bit less accessible. For instance, my favorite food is ice cream. Hands down, I would eat it every night if I had it. Therefore, I just don't keep it in my house. But life is all about balance. It's better to be good 80% of the time than great 20% of the time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at GoArmy.com.